Disney Plus is one of the hottest streaming services available today. Though it's only been available since November of 2019, Disney has already managed to build an audience of more than 50 million paying subscribers. In the months since launch, Disney has added a number of features to the app, making it easier to watch your favorite Disney classics, sitcom staples, and of course, the entire Marvel Cinematic Universe. Just a couple of weeks after launch, Disney added a continue watching feature that made it easy to pick back up where you left off. Although this continue watching feature works on all devices, including your television, smartphone, and in your browser, there's a pretty major catch. It's not easy to clear your continue watching list on Disney+. While apps like Netflix make it easy to clear what you've recently watched from your list, Disney still seems to be behind the times. That doesn't mean it's impossible to cover up your tracks in Disney+, of course. It just means you'll have to use one of two workarounds. Both of these work best by using the desktop site, so grab your computer and head to Disney Plus's website. These steps will work on both your smartphone and smart TV, but you're really best off using a PC. Because of how continue watching works on Disney Plus, finishing a movie or TV show actually removes it from your continue watching menu. So, to remove a single title from your continue watching menu on Disney Plus, all you need to do is fast forward to the very end of a title's credits, then let the last few seconds of the film play out. TV shows work this way too, though you'll need to jump to the last episode of the series to let the credits play. If you have too many shows and movies to clear from your continue watching menu, you aren't out of luck. While you can keep using this process, you're probably better off just deleting your profile and starting a new one, complete with an identical name and profile picture. This resets your account, and while it might be annoying to re-add shows and movies to your list, it's a quick and easy method for wiping your continue watching list on Disney+. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Disney Plus and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.